Welcome back to Explore Error. Now, slow internet speed is a common issue that many people face. Sometimes the problem happens because of network configuration. Other times it can be due to a PC issue, and sometimes it can even be caused by the internet service provider. However, many common DNS, TCP, and IP address related problems can be fixed using the Windows command prompt. In this video, I will share 5 useful command prompt commands that can help you fix different internet problems and improve your internet connection speed. So let's quickly get started. First, click on the Windows search and type CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator and click Yes. Now, the first command you need to type is ipconfig/release. This command releases the current IP address. If there is any issue related to the IP, it may be resolved. Press Enter. Next, we need to renew the IP address so the system can get a fresh one. Type ipconfig/renew and press Enter again. This will assign a new IP address. The next command is netsh int tcp set global autotuninglevel equal normal. This command controls buffer size and latency. You will find all these commands in the description so you can copy and paste them. After pasting, press Enter. Now, the next command is netsh interface tcp show heuristics. Press Enter again. This command shows details about the connection, and it looks fine on my side. After that, paste the next command, netsh interface tcp set heuristics disabled. This will disable the heuristic setting. Press Enter again. Finally, the last command is netsh winsock reset. If there is any network connection problem, this command will reset it. Press Enter once more. Now, simply restart your computer, and this will help fix many internet connection problems and improve your Wi-Fi and internet speed. That's all for today. Hopefully this quick video helps improve performance and solve internet connection issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.